All right, boys and girls, so for today, we're going to read the words and then match them with the picture that matches the word. So the first word in our box is what? Pull. So which picture shows pull? Yeah, this one. So we're going to write P-U-L-L. Then I'm going to put a line through it so I know that I'm done. Next word. Goal. Goal. Which one is a picture of a seagull? Yep, right here. G-U-L-L. Goal. Okay, look at the next word. What is the next word? It's tall. Good. Which picture shows tall? Yeah, the giraffe. T-all. Good. Read the next word for me. What is it? It's grill. Grill. Good. The next word is ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Okay, read the next word for me. What's the word? Spell. Which one shows spell? Good. Spell. Read the next word for me. Yell. Very good. And we have two more. What's the next word? Oh, full. Which glass is full? Yeah, this one. Full. And the last one is B-L. Bell. Very good. Okay. On the back side, we have some spelling words and we need to write them in alphabetical order. So we haven't done this for a while, so we look at the words and say, okay, what's the first letter of the alphabet? A. Do we have any words that start with A? Nope. What's the next letter in the alphabet? B. Do we have a B word? Yep. Bring. B-er-ing. And we cross it off. So since we have two words that begin with C, we look at the second letter and see which one comes first in the alphabet. So which one am I going to write first? Child or cold? Yeah, I'm going to write child. So after child, then comes cold. Okay. Now we look at the alphabet, and I don't think we have any D's, E, F, no G, H, I, J, K. We do have two L words. So which one's going to come first? Live or long? We do live. So then our next word would be long. Okay, we'll cross that off. All right, which word is going to come next? We have 5 left. Yeah, most is going to come next. And then we have L-M-N-O. We have open. What comes next? Spring. We have two more, talk and think. Out of talk and think, which one do you think will come first? Talk, very good. And our very last word is going to be think. Nice. Okay, all right. Do what your teacher would have you do next. Good job.